Hello viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we review the best $500 range bass guitar that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we complete this list. Number 5. Fender Bass Guitar. Fender's reputation for quality extends even to its lower-priced models, such as the Fender Standard Jazz Bass. This electric bass guitar combines the traditional J-bass design with plenty of modern upgrades, making it a great option for bassists of all levels. The Fender Standard Jazz Bass has a contoured alder body and a maple neck with a modern C-shaped profile. The neck is designed for performance and comfort, and the back is given a smooth tinted satin urethane finish. It has a maple fingerboard with 20 medium jumbo frets, but you can also opt for one with a Pau Ferro fingerboard, though that option is a bit more expensive. This bass guitar boasts a pair of Fender Standard single-coil jazz bass pickups. The shielded body cavities of the Standard Jazz Bass contribute to a reduced hum. You get 2 volume controls, one for each pickup, and a master tone control knob for shaping your tone. Of course, this bass already has that iconic jazz bass tone with lots of warmth and bottom end punch. Other specs include chrome-plated hardware, a 4-saddle pure vintage 70s bridge with single groove saddles and standard open gear tuners. An excellent bass for the price.
Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance.
Number 4. Ibanez Electric Bass Guitar. The Ibanez GSR 200 SM4 string electric guitar is very lightweight, weighing only 9 pounds with 40x3x12 inches as its dimensions. This makes the guitar perfect for beginners or musicians on the go. The Ibanez guitar is priced at around $250 and is available in the colors Spalted maple or mahogany with a rosewood fretboard with dot inlays.
Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance.
Number 3. Hofner String Bass Guitar. Last but not the least, we have the Hofner HOFHICBBK4 string bass guitar. Priced at around $370, the Hofner bass guitar is one of the most well-known electric bass guitars in music history. The Hofner bass guitar weighs only 7.17 pounds and has the dimensions 53x17x6 inches. With a hollow body, the finish of the guitar is one of the most sought-out appearances, and its sound delivers quality performance either plugged in or not. The tone of the guitar is more vintage sounding, but you do not have to break the bank to get that classic sound.
Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance.
Number 2. ESP Spalted Maple Bass Guitar. One might argue that the ESP is one of the most aesthetic of them all. The maple grain gives it a vintage vibe that is visually stunning to look at and a great bargain for best bass guitar under $500. Now getting to the technical hardware, this one is a fretless bass. This will not only completely change your playing style, but it will also change the sound and tone produced. If you are a beginner, you do have 24 fret markers on the bolt-on maple neck, so a fretless bass is not all that intimidating. As for the change in sound, it has more of a deep and dark sound with a lot of punch. There is enough flexibility for you to not only customize, but shape your tone the way you want it, so in conclusion, this is the perfect tool to push your creative boundaries to the whole other level for best bass guitar.
Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance.
Number 1. Sterling Bass Guitar. Sterling by Music Man Stingray. Do you want to follow in the footsteps of the great bassists of the 70s? You have heard of the iconic Ernie Ball Music Man, but did you know they have come out with an affordable line of high-quality best bass guitars called Sterling? This versatile series is built for the beginner as well the performers and designed after the famous Stingray series made of striking maple. This eye-catching bass guitar in the solid body in a control layout with a variety of different finishes you can choose from. This surprisingly noise-free buzz-free model has an active preamp, boost controls, and an individual volume mounted to the control plate. The highlight of this model is the tuning process, 3+1 tuning arrangement that tunes the guitar instantly. If need be, you can also follow the straight string pull process.
Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe to us to get the upcoming videos.
I'm an icon, man. My girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.